What's up guys, and the teaser of the future is here. Your boy has been busy creating Galaxy S21 content, but a lot actually happened behind the scenes. Samsung for the first time on record teased their official under-panel camera trailer in the future of OLED displays. And within this teaser, we not only look at the laptops, but we also see a smartphone that has a completely bezel-less look. This right here represents Galaxy Zero, a phone with under-panel camera technology which Samsung has been testing out for months. We actually have some prototype images of Note 20 Ultra showing off no punch hole at all. According to this Twitter leakster, Samsung was working on having an under display camera on the Note 20 Ultra. Perhaps they wanted to do something different, something special with what could possibly be the last Galaxy Note phone. Now onto the teaser, we have 3 different videos and Samsung has finally revealed what the blade bezel is. Samsung trademarked this word blade bezel a couple of months ago, and now we know that it is for their laptops. These are Samsung's brand new laptops with OLED displays, and they are very likely to be the first devices to use under-panel camera technology. When it comes to laptop, the selfie camera probably doesn't matter as much as it matters on a smartphone, which is why Samsung is probably trying to experiment this on their new thinnest and lightest OLED display laptops. It's truly incredible what they are creating. So this brand new OLED display is foldable, so it can be bent inward or outward or have multiple folds at the same time, in addition to rollable and slidable mechanism. Very soon, Galaxy Z lineup will expand, and that's gonna give us devices with multiple folding abilities with rollable and even sliding display smartphones. But of course, the super exciting part is the standard smartphone design. This is what it could look like when Samsung completely put the under display camera to a traditional smartphone design. Samsung will very likely do this with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 or Galaxy S22, or maybe by some miracle with the Note 21. And when they do this, it's pretty obvious that the traditional smartphone design has maxed out. It only makes sense to go towards the foldable, slidable, and rollable era. Also in the news, sources with the Galaxy S21 Ultra Exynos variant, they're talking about the battery, and so far it's looking pretty good. As always, I'll be doing my own battery drain test to check out the actual limits of this phone next to some of the best smartphones on the market. We have some official news coming from Qualcomm. Snapdragon 870 is unveiled. This is a successor to Snapdragon 865 Plus chip. It's made on 7nm process and it has above 3 GHz clock speed. It's basically an absolute monster version of the Snapdragon 865 chip. It will be very interesting to see what devices will use this chip. Now Samsung has stopped selling the Galaxy S20 series, which means this could be the end of last year's S20 devices, and now they're being replaced by the brand new S21 series. I guess the S20 FE is the only model that they are still selling. And last but not the least, we have a beautiful surprise coming in the form of Phantom Green Galaxy S21. This is actually coming officially from Samsung Australia website. Now we don't know how it's gonna look officially, so this is a concept render made by Let's Go Digital. I feel like this color will be right up there with the new violet color. So that's all for the news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Galaxy Zero flagship. It seems like Samsung is cooking something big for the second half of this year. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.